Hey friends, if you encounter this Windows 11 slow internet issue, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the real solutions that will work. This will work, nothing else will work. So let's say that you are connected to a 2.4G network. Let's say you're connected to this network. Okay, for the sake of this example, I will actually connect to it. Okay, and then go to fast.com and hit enter. So this is the 2.4G network and the speed is really slow. But if I connect it to the 5G network, and refresh it on the page, the speed will suddenly become way faster. So always connect to the 5G network if you want a higher internet speed. And the other thing that you can do is pull your system closer to the router or use a wired connection. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.